There I am. All right. So, welcome to Follow the Joy using the Neurorelational Framework. I am going to be talking about how to use joy to as like the speedway for helping children with their development. And first, I'm just going to acknowledge that developmental challenges that may come from trauma, may come from neurodivergence. Developmental challenges can come from all different directions. But it's usually the case that they create a lot of threat in a nervous system because our society is not very tolerant of divergence or difference. And we really require people, in order to make money and be successful, to not have those, right? So I believe that every child is born perfect, and that does not mean that they're going to negotiate our society very well. And so that is what therapy is for. So because we are not, it may be because of organic challenges, or it may be because of interacting with our world that doesn't think that, doesn't make it easy for them. A lot of times, these developmental challenges will wire the brain for threat. And that means that will accustom the brain to threat, where children will feel unsafe in the world. And joy has the wonderful distinction of wiring the brain for safety. So you may know of children who are wired for threat, and they are seem to always be in threat, or almost always, or very often in threat. And some of these kids don't feel comfortable in safety. They don't feel comfortable with status quo, and they get a threat response when things seem calm. And so while safety may be rejected, and status quo may be rejected, and calm may be rejected, joy is extremely tantalizing. And we can use this to our advantage for these children who are wired for threat, to turn their wiring around, to wire them for safety. And why do we want to do that? Safety promotes engagement, and engagement promotes development. So our health, mental health, and physical health are all very enhanced by regular bouts of joy.